Hello all. Today we will learn about characteristics of computer. 10 characteristics of computer are high speed, accuracy, reliability, diligence, storage, memory, no logical decision, no IQ, versatility, automation. Speed. Speed is one of the major characteristics of computer. A computer works so fast that it can process any task and provide the output in fractions of seconds. A powerful computer can handle trillions of instructions per second, which is really incredible. With its incredible speed, computer can reduce the amount of time to perform any digital task. The speed of a computer is measured in microseconds and nanoseconds. Accuracy. Computers not only provide incredible speed, instead they are also capable of consistently working with accuracy. The degree of accuracy in computers is very high. Computer can perform calculation at almost 100% accuracy. Errors may occur in a computer system, but only because of wrong human input or inaccurate data. Reliability. Though computers work this fast, they still provide reliable outputs. Today's technology enables computers to execute billions of tasks in seconds. However, to get correct output, the input has to be correct too. Output from a computer is so reliable that if the output is unexpected, then it is called garbage in or garbage out. Diligence. Unlike a human, the computer does not get tired or lack its concentration. Due to these characteristics, it overpowers human beings in most of the regular tasks. It can work for hours without any fault. This means that if millions of calculations are to be done, a computer will perform every calculation and provide all the result with the same accuracy. Storage. Computer comes with high storage facility to store almost any amount of data in it. Not only that, most computer comes with expandable storage facility along with external storage. Computer is so fast that it also takes unnoticeable time to find the data user needs from this huge storage. Memory. A computer has a built-in memory where it can store instant data immediately. Here we are referring to random access memory, primary memory, that holds data as long as the computer is connected to a power source. Data is erased from memory after shutting down the computer. In addition, the computer includes ROM, the cache memory of different levels, virtual memory, thereby speeding up performance. No logical decision. Computer can't think and take decision itself, but computer programs can be written in a way so that it takes logical decision. Still, it is just the program written by human and executed by the computer. No IQ. Computer has speed, memory, accuracy, but it cannot work itself. If not being instructed to do a thing, the computer is nothing but a useless machine. All its hardware power depends on coded instruction to perform their action. Thus, it has no IQ. Versatility. Versatility is one of the most wonderful features of computers. This means the computer has the ability to perform completely different kind of work with the same accuracy and efficiency at the same time. It is not just a calculating machine anymore. For example, for one moment it can use to create invoice or bills, and the next moment it can be used for inventory management or any multimedia task, etc. Automation. Computers can also be used to automate routine tasks with the help of a task scheduler, such as launching a specific application or software, sending an email, scanning for viruses, and many other maintenance tasks. Besides, computer can also be programmed to perform many complex tasks. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe our channel.